Hello there beautiful people, it's your boy Investor Black and welcome you back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you step by step how you can create and verify an Amazon KDP account without any issues. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step guide for beginners. So if you're a total beginner and you have no knowledge about if you have no knowledge about Amazon KDP, then this is the best video to start with, because I'm literally going to walk you through from the point where you create your account down to the point where you start making money from Amazon. This account I'm going to create in this video will be the account I'm going to be using to actually show you step by step how to achieve this. So you're going to be seeing me literally make money in my videos. Okay, so it's not like I'm showing you what I've already done. I'm showing you from this point where I have not made a dime. I'm going to create the account in this video, and that same account you're going to be seeing me making money from the videos, guys. Right, so without wasting your time, I'm gonna actually, even though this video is just going to be focused on creating an Amazon account, I've actually decided to do a quick introduction for the benefit of those that know nothing about Amazon. So if you're a total newbie, this introduction is going to actually help you. So basically I'm going to be defining Amazon KDP and some terms about Amazon KDP. Right, so Amazon KDP is a book distribution platform owned by Amazon. It allows you to self-publish different kinds of books and make money from royalties. Okay, royalties refer to the commission share on your commission share on each of the books you sell on Amazon. Okay, so when you publish a book on Amazon and those books get sold, Amazon is going to give you commissions based on those books, and that commission that you receive from Amazon is known as royalties. Okay, so the KDP in Amazon KDP simply stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It means you're the one to self-publish your book on Amazon Kindle platform, and you start making money from your books. Ordinarily you need to go through a lot of process to actually publish a book, but with Amazon KDP they made it very, very simple, and anybody that has something to offer can actually put it in a book and start making money from those books. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in my videos, in my series. Right, so basically this is what the series is going to look like. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make money on Amazon KDP, and to make money on Amazon KDP you need to do the following things. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to create a KDP account and link it to your bank account. So you're going to need a KDP account, Amazon KDP account. You're going to need a Payoneer account or any other account that can be linked to Amazon KDP. Then after that, the next step would be to research profitable niches. Okay, now a lot of people just go and just do whatever they please and put it on Amazon, and year in year out they don't make any sales. That is because you focus more on the creation of the book than the research. Okay, the research is the most important part of Amazon KDP, and that is why you need to focus on doing the research. And in the next video I'm going to be making, I'm going to be focusing on how to do keyword research for Amazon KDP, so that your books are going to rank easily on Amazon and you're going to make sales as soon as possible. After you must have done the research, the next thing you need to do is, based on that research you've done, you need to create unique books. Okay, unique in the sense that you're not going to be doing what everybody is doing. There will be something that will make your book to actually stand out, so that when people see your book they would want to click it, and when they click it, it's gonna give them extra value than what the value they normally get from clicking on other people's books. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this section of the series. Right, then after creating your book, the next thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is to publish the book. Okay, then once you've known how to do all these things, the next thing you just need to do is to repeat this as much as possible, so that you get a higher chance of actually getting sales. Because sometimes, because of the high competition of Amazon KDP, you might not start making money immediately you start creating books, but I'm going to show you the best way to get the highest probability, the highest possible way to actually make money fast on Amazon KDP. Now, having said that, let's delve right into it, guys. Okay guys, so basically to create your Amazon KDP account, all you have to do is head over to your browser, then type in kdp.amazon.com. okay, once you type in, hit enter, and it's going to take you to kdp.amazon.com, where you're going to see the page that you're seeing right now on your screen. So the next thing you need to do is to click on sign in if you already have an Amazon account. When I mean an Amazon account, if you bought something before from Amazon, it means you already have an Amazon account. You don't need to start creating KDP account again. All you need to do is sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you've not used Amazon before, all you need to click on is sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up for the purpose of this. Then the next thing you need to do is to put in your go to this part that says create your KDP account, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to click on create KDP account. So you're going to put in your first name and your last name. Okay, as you can see. So I'm going to do a quick one. So I'm going to do So after you must have put in your username, your full name, make sure that the name that you're going to be putting corresponds with the name on your driver's license, your international passport, or any ID card that has been issued by the authorities, that's by your country, right? Because they are going to need to verify that you're a real person, and if these names don't correspond, you're going to have issues. So make sure that the names correspond before you go on to click on create your KDP account. So this name corresponds with the driver's license I have, so I'm going to click on create KDP account. Once you click on create KDP account, it's going to take you to another page where you're going to be given a puzzle to actually solve. Okay guys, so basically all you have to do is solve the puzzle. Okay, so what am I going to be doing? I'll click on solve the puzzle. Then they said pick the spiral galaxy. So this is the spiral galaxy, this is the spiral galaxy, this is also the spiral galaxy. So after I must have solved that, the next thing to do is to head over to my email and get the OTP that they've sent to me. Okay, so basically after pasting it, all you have to do is click on verify. So once you verify, the next you need to do is to add your phone number. So I'm going to be adding a phone number right now. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to actually choose my country, which is Nigeria. So I'm going to look for N. So once you choose your country, all you have to do is put in a phone number. So I'm going to be putting a phone number here. So I'm going to wait for the OTP to come in. Okay, 030876 to create. Okay, so basically after you must have done that, you are gonna see their terms and conditions, and all you have to do is click on agree right here. So I'm going to click on agree. So once you click on agree, you're going to see an error message at the top that says your account information is incomplete. Okay, what they are looking for now is for you to actually verify your identity on your Amazon account. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm going to click on update now. Once you click on update now, they are going to do the two-step verification, that they are going to use the number you just put in to actually send you an OTP to verify your identity. So I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to go to Nigeria. I'm going to put in the number. Yeah, so I've gotten the OTP, so I'm going to put in the OTP I just received, which is 364219. So that's the first thing you have to do to actually verify your identity. So once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is to put in your date of birth, your country, and some other information. As you can see, your profile, your bank account details, your tax information, and some other things like that. So I'm going to be choosing individual, then I'm going to be putting in the date of birth. So after you must have put in your date of birth, the next thing you need to do is to actually put in your country. So I'm going to just click there and just type in NI for my country, which is Nigeria. I'm going to click on Nigeria. Then I'm going to put in your legal name. Okay, this is the name that corresponds with the name on your driver's license or whatever document you're using. So I'm going to put in that name real fast. Yeah, so as you can see, I've already added my legal name, I've added my address, and I've added everything that they've asked for on this page. Make sure that all this information you're going to be giving them corresponds with the information on your driver's license or any document that you're going to be submitting as your proof of identity. Yeah, so after you must have done that, the next thing is to scroll down and you're going to see the getting paid section. This is where you have to put in your bank information, and for this you need a Payoneer account. If you don't already have a Payoneer account, don't worry, there's a video that's going to be popping up right now at the top right corner of your screen. That video is going to show you step by step how to create how to create a Payoneer account. If you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a bonus. So having said that, I'm also going to leave the link to the video in the description just in case you don't get the video. So having said that, the next thing you need to do is to type in your country. So I'm going to put in Nigeria again. I'm going to put in United States because my account is going to be in dollar. Okay, as you can see, I've put in United States. So I'm going to just go and copy my Payoneer details from my Payoneer account. Then I'm going to be pasting it right here for Amazon. Yeah, so as you can see guys, I've gotten my account details from my Payoneer account and I've added them to the page. So the next thing I need to do is to click on add. So as I click on add, it's going to load. As you can see, you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplaces. So after you must have added your account details, the next one is to scroll down and you're going to see this section that says tax information. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on complete tax information, click on save and continue, then then it's going to take you to another page where you have to fill in some tax details. Okay, so if you're a US citizen, you need to give them your tax ID and stuff like that, but if you're a Nigerian like myself, this is the way to go about it guys. So the first thing you need to do is to click on individual. Then if they ask you, are you a citizen of the US, click on no. Then once you click on no, are you acting as an intermediary agent or person receiving payment on behalf of another person, click on no. Then the next thing that you're going to see is your full name, your country of citizenship. Yeah, so after clicking on no, the next thing you need to do is to confirm for the last time if the name here corresponds with the name on your driver's license or your international passport or any document that you're using to verify your identity. And once you've confirmed that, the next thing you need to do is to go to the right tab there and click on your country. So I'm going to be choosing Nigeria as my country, as you can see right here. So once you click on Nigeria as your country, the next thing to do is to confirm your address, your mailing address, your permanent address. Then over here where it says I have a non-US thing, untick that, then scroll down. So why are you not able to provide a thing? The country where I'm liable to pay tax does not issue things to its residents. I have applied for a thing but haven't received it yet. I could not obtain thing from my local authority because of other reasons. So I'm going to click on other reasons. So I'm going to click on continue here. So once you click on continue, you're going to see a new tab is going to pop up at the bottom. Scroll to that and click on I consent if it's not already ticked. Then read this very carefully. Then I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person I identified on line 1 of the form, which is myself. So all you have to do is put in your name. Click on I certify here, then click on save and preview. Okay, once you click on save and preview, it's going to take you to the form as you can see here. Then I'm going to just scroll down to the bottom and click submit form. So once you click submit form, you see that your form has been validated. Okay, so click exit interview, and once you click on exit interview, you see that my Amazon account is almost ready and the tax information has been approved, as you can see. So the next thing you need to do is to click on where it says save at the bottom right here. Once you click on save at the bottom right here, you've completed your account registration details, as you can see right here. So the next thing you need to do is to actually start creating books. So this is how you create your Amazon KDP account. In the next video, like I promised, we are going to be learning how to do keyword research for profitable niches. So because it is one thing to create an Amazon account and put books in there, but if your books are not well optimized, you're not going to make sales. And if you make sales, it will be once in a blue moon, because most of your published books are going to get buried in the competition. So that is why the research is very, very important. So stick around as I make the next video on how to do research for profitable sales on Amazon KDP. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to actually start making money with Amazon KDP, because this account I just created is going to be the account I'm going to be using to share some proof of earnings and stuff like that as we progress. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, do well to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and have a nice day. Bye.